What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can already see by the title of this video, we're gonna be working on the valve cover. We're gonna give it a quick refresh, and yeah, we're gonna be doing it in a black wrinkle finish. And yeah, paint's over here. Over the weekend I got the car tinted. It's 50%. It was a Christmas gift. It was a birthday gift. So yeah, I got gifted some tint. So we got that all around. It's not too dark. You can still see inside. I mean, it's kind of hard to see because we're in the garage, but yeah, it's right there. But yeah. So here's what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using the Rust-Oleum self-etching primer, and then some VHT Wrinkle Plus black wrinkle. And yeah, let's go start removing the valve cover. To remove the valve cover is pretty simple. You just need to remove the spark plug wires, and then you got these 10 little bolts right here that's holding it in place. You gotta unclamp this, and you take this little bracket off that holds the spark plugs, you know, the wires. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna do that real quick, and yeah, give me a second. Alright, so we got it all removed, and yeah, I think it looks pretty healthy down there. Oh damn, I dropped some of the bolts. Alright, so what's next is we're gonna take it outside and rinse it down, you know, get all the oil off so the paint can stick, and yeah, give it a quick rinse down. Give me one moment. We'll be using some dish soap. Shout out my mom, she don't know I'm using it, but I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna use a brush, a detailing brush, to get into like the, you know, the deep spots, or like agitate it a bit, you know, like over here it's covered in oil. The bottom I probably won't really go crazy. I don't think it's really necessary, since, you know, it's not gonna see anything. But I'm still gonna rinse it down a bit at least. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys back on the time lapse, and yeah. Alright guys, so I actually came to hit it with this. The dish soap got rid of most of it, but it still had like a bit of gunk in it. So I still had some of this left, so hopefully this will knock it all down. If not, we'll wipe it. We'll do a quick wipe down, like get it good. But yeah, so far this is how it's looking. And yeah, I'm gonna rinse it down in a bit, and I'll show you guys what's next. Alright guys, so this is how it is after the rinse. It came out pretty clean. There's really nothing now left. So I think it's ready for spray now. I'll probably just sand it down just a tiny bit so it could grab on a bit more better. And yeah, I already also popped off the rubber seals that are back here as well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna lightly scuff it with probably like with 400 or 600 grit. And then go on from there. I don't have cardboard, so I'm gonna have to use my dog's towels, so that should be enough. But yeah, let me sand it down real quick, and then we'll start to paint. Yeah, I forgot to mention one big thing, and that's to make sure you guys mask everything. I masked all the holes for the spark plugs, the bolts, the hose thing over here, and then the oil cap. I just need to put some little bits right here, and here. And that's all. But yeah, I also did a quick sand already, just a quick scuff. So now we're gonna go paint it. First, we're gonna start off with the primer, do like 2-3 coats, and after that we're gonna hit it with a few coats of the black wrinkle, and that should be good, hopefully. Yeah. Alright, we have it all set up here. This is our paint booth. I already wiped it down with alcohol. Now we're gonna hit it with the self-etching primer, and yeah. Alright, we just did the first coat of primer. I just did a quick few light coats. We're gonna let this bake for a couple, like 5 to 10 minutes until we do the next coat. I think we're gonna do like 2 more coats and then call it a quits for the primer. And then after that, we're gonna move on to the black wrinkle. And yeah, I'll check up with you guys once I do the next 2 coats. The last coat of primer, I only did 2 coats. Just the first one that was light, and then the second one pretty heavy. So we're about to hit it with the wrinkle in a couple minutes. So I think you're gonna have to do like each coat. You're gonna do like different patterns. So like this, you know what I mean. So after I do all those coats, I'm probably gonna hit it with the heat gun a bit so it could wrinkle out a bit, or maybe just let it sit here in the sun, depending. But yeah, we're gonna start hitting it with the first few coats. So the wrinkles are starting to come out with the heat gun. I'm gonna let this sit for 24 hours. I still have to get the valve cover gasket as well, and I gotta go soon. Your boy's got a job interview, so wish your boy luck. I'll let you guys know tomorrow. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna do like the machine finish. I'm gonna sand down the face, kind of like how it is on my B20 valve cover, how I had it done over here. Yeah, so it's pretty much gonna be like that, but black wrinkle finish, and and cheap DIY, no clear over it, you know. But yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back. Ooh, what's going on there? So we finished up, it's all dried up. It's a little stripy, but it's okay. Wrinkle came out pretty good. It's a bit more aggressive over here on the wrinkle, but I can live with it. Over here it looks like I kind of missed it a bit, but it's alright. I'm okay with it. Last thing to do, well, one of the last things to do is to sand down the Honda logo, and then put the valve cover gasket on, and then that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab some sandpaper, or first mark down like right here, tape it down right here so it won't sand the paint off, and yeah. Alright guys, so I got some 400 grit sandpaper that I had laying around that I already used, and it's pretty much, I'm just gonna be going side to side. I hope this is aggressive enough, but if not, it's alright. But yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much be doing this, and then yeah. Okay, so it's all sanded down. I just hosed it down a bit. I think it came out perfect, if you ask me. Shows that I did have to go over it with like a little grinder so I could get the paint off good, but and it got a bit right here and over here. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the results. I probably could have sanded it down a bit more better, but so it could be more shinier, but I'm happy with the results for like first time doing it. I'm really happy. It's gonna really clean up the engine bay really nicely. I'm just trying to rinse it down, get all the debris out before I install it with the valve cover, and then that's it. And just like that, it's all finished. Look how fresh it looks down there. Really make the engine bay look way much more nicer compared to the how it looked before, all nasty, crusty looking. So yeah, we put a new valve cover gasket as well. We obviously put the little joints, the little silicone right there in the corners, and yeah, looks really good. I'm really satisfied by how it looked. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Y'all make sure to follow that Instagram at Victor_Doza. I'll put it down here again just for you guys to know where to go. And yeah, have a good one, guys.